Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating a bun out of my daughter natural boho braids. She did not like the length, but she liked the braids, so I decided to make a boho braid ponytail extension instead of removing the braids to turn this style into an updo. As you see right here, I am oiling her scalp to give it nourishment to make sure while it's protected, it's still growing like it needs to and thriving as far as her scalp health. Anytime you get a protective style, you want to make sure that you take care of that scalp because that helps with maintaining the health of your hair. So always make sure you oil your scalp and take care of it. Especially with my daughter, she has a little bit of scalp flakes, so we want to make sure we keep those intact and not let it get too overwhelming from dryness. So that is what you see me doing here. Since I am styling her boho braids into another style, I did not have any type of idea of how I wanted to style her hair. All I knew is I wanted to put it into a ponytail, one big ponytail, so I can create the bun. So right here, I'm just freestyling a design. It was no particular parts. I literally just sectioned it off into 3, and then at the top it is also going to be 3. I used the rubber bands to help with the design, and then I braided the rest up, which you'll start to see soon after you see me get done using these rubber bands to anchor her hair down to create the braid that'll eventually go into the ponytail. So if you're trying to recreate this look using your old boho braids, you don't have to make it so jazzy and be so intentional with the parts. You literally can treat it like you would if you had dreads and just create a design based off what you're trying to achieve in the end. And since I was trying to achieve a bun, you see me just figuring it out and just freestyling it. The biggest thing is to just have fun because in the end, it's going to turn out cute anyway. I mean, come on now. I'm not doing this for nothing. It's going to be looking good, okay? So if you're creating this, have fun and create whatever design and freestyle as much as you want. You can only just do so many things with what you have. So if you have dreads and you want to turn it into a bun using faux, any type of lock extensions or something like that, you can do the same thing. It doesn't have to be braids. It could be locks and you can create this look. So just have fun. I also want to say that if you are using rubber bands, make sure you don't have it too tight because you don't want to cause any type of damage or breakage while wearing this style. And it's very easy to maintain. I only did probably about 1 or 2 or 3 turns on the rubber bands. I did not want it tight or pulling her hair. So make sure you are aware of that. Right here, you see me preparing the bun for the boho braided ponytail I created. Then I attached the ponytail with the hair tie to secure the extension on her hair. After I attached it, I played with the ponytail extension off camera, and here is my final result on how I created the bun. As I created the bun, you'll see me pulling out the loose extension curly hair just to give it a little volume to show that this is boho braids, to give it that boho hippie look. And then I'm going to get some hairpins to pin the bun in place and to kind of sculpt out how I want the bun to actually look. So as you see right here, that is what I am doing. If you want to see how to make this ponytail, I will have it in the description box below, so check it out. I'm fluffing the curls to give it a little body yaddy yaddy yaddy. And that is how I created this look. I hope you guys like it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you want to see another tutorial on how to create another bun like this using crochet here, also leave a comment below. And yeah, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Please make sure you subscribe. It will help my channel grow. And see ya.